That's so bad. Guys, this is the aftermath. This is just for you guys. I'm going outside. Look at that, bro. Look at that, full of water. Let me go to the other view. Oh my god, chill, bro. Look at the water. There's not many cars moving, but they're still savage. Guys, this is the cat that I was talking about. Look at that cat. Look at her. She looks cute. Aww. Oh no, there's strong wind. What was that? Okay, I want to cover my phone because my phone is not waterproof. So I'm just going trip around my house. This is the back. No, not the backyard. I think the back of the house. Don't know what you call it. But let us go now. Bismillah. Oh my god, what is this insect? I'm going out of here because I don't know what is that. Maybe bad insects. I don't know. Look at this cigarette. By the way, you can see my feet, which is pretty good. No rain. Rain, go away. Okay. I'll trip. Then you go around the house. Look at the drain. Like it has many. I don't know what does it called, drain or what. Like the water's so dirty. I go in here, safety first. You see? Like, look at this. Still, look at the car, guys. Look at the car. Let me clean my phone. I don't know what will happen to my phone, but still savage. Oh no. Look at the sky. Of the sky, guys. Look at the sky. Oh my god, they closed the door. So I'm in trouble. I'm in legit trouble. Actually, though, they closed the door. Safe. So yeah guys, this is the aftermath. It looks like that it is now dry. So look at just see it here. So beautiful. So beautiful. What are those? By the way, this is the part 2. Yes, there's a part 1. Now this is the part 2. Because I said to myself, I need to separate the videos because it's a different occasion. This is the raining and the aftermath. So yeah, I don't know what to do. This is just a view. I don't know what to do. This is just a view. I'm just escaping from my house like what are those? This is garbage. Okay, so wait for me guys. Wow! By the way, sorry guys, they're speaking. I don't know what's the language. I think Pakistan. Like, how far is this? Like, it's so weird. Let's go a trip around the place. Like, look at that car. Now it's right here around this platform. So clean. Look at the car. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is the aftermath of the sky. Looks so cool. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out. So I don't know what's the kind of plane, but see you airplane, bye. A long journey of the rain. I think before it was 8:11, now it's 9:59. It's been a long journey. So yeah, guys, I know I said I hope you enjoyed this video, but I'll say it again because this is very cool. Now it's morning. Say good morning, guys. I know it's too late to say that, but the crowd right there, so cool. So yeah, guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out, guys.